Weight loss food diet will burn your body fat like crazy. From cabbage soup to going all veggie-lover, there are weight loss food diet accessible today. Diet designs all guarantee a certain something to cause you to get in shape. There are some eating regimen designs that go above and beyond in this guarantee, professing to enable you to lose a lot of weight inside weeks or days. In any case, how powerful are these weight loss food diet in causing you to get thinner? It is constantly essential to discover a weight reduction diet nourishment that spotlights on your well-being as opposed to simply your weight. Right finger. Weight reduction. There are huge amounts of weight loss food diet and projects accessible on the web. Be that as it may, not these give the well-being viewpoint in the weight reduction diet sustenance. Most weight reduction diet nourishment need well-being, frequently bringing simply void calories. Accordingly, rather than helping you stay in shape, you wind up squandering your life and harming your body all the while. The cabbage soup. Likely the most hazardous type of eating fewer carbs today is the cabbage soup diet. This eating routine comprises simply eating cabbage soup and drinking heaps of water for a considerable length of time. Despite the fact that this diet plan vows to cause you to get thinner quick, it is hazardous and many have kicked the bucket simultaneously. What's miserable, however, is that there are still loads of individuals starving themselves to death just to get the body they've constantly needed. Right finger. The healthy alternative. On the off chance that you are searching for a weight loss food diet nourishment that is brimming with well-being, it is ideal to counsel your primary care physician or nutritionist. Possibly he can give you a more advantageous choice to cabbage soup. Obviously, there are some settled eating routine projects out there, like Atkins and South Beach. It is dependent upon you to confide in which one. Be that as it may, the significant thing is to consistently ask a specialist before effectively confiding in publicizing claims. Down finger. Click a link in the description to see if it will work for you.